put it on YouTube.
Yeah, they were going off last night.
And the electric bill isn't that bad either, really.
No?
Oh, man.
Starting.
Oh, yeah, it started. Just let it go all night.
I can smell the sulfur.
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Yeah. I love this smell of napalm in the morning. Napalm death.
Oh, even Vivian likes napalm death. She
Ah.
doesn't like any kind of metal at all, but she saw that and she's like, wow.
What is it?
Napalm death.
Oh, okay.
I took her to the concert. It was Napalm Death, the Melvins, and Melt Banana.
Oh, that's gotta have been a good
Oh
show.
yeah, Dale Crover from the Melvins is Vivian's crush.
Ah.
She likes him very much so.
Ah. And of course you gotta have Melt Banana.
Oh, yeah. They've always been one of my favorites.
And the Boredoms.
Boredoms are awesome.
And Acid Mother's Temple.
Yeah, my friend got to play with them.
I saw them once.
Yeah?
At the Double Door.
That's probably where my friend played with them. He's in Plastic Crime Wave Syndicate. His name's Steven something, Jewish guy.
That's a good name for a band.
Plastic Crime Wave Syndicate?
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy, he does like guitar like the Acid Mother's Temple. He wears like the psychedelic clothes and stuff. He got the big handlebar mustache with the mutton chops.
Wonder how popular the band like Acid Mother's Temple are in Japan.
Pretty popular, I guess. These guys are pretty legendary.
Who's that one you told me is the Merzbow in China?
Oh, torturing nurse.
Ah,
I just talked to him yesterday.
torturing nurse.
Yeah, he's awesome. He's really good. You get a good performance. Anything you listen to or see with him. Yeah, he's good stuff.
Our neighbor is over there, so I'm sure we'll have some fireworks.
Well, that's what I told Robert. I was like, we have neighbors down there, and then they let off a giant
Oh,
mortar
yeah.
bomb.
Mm-hmm.
Scared the cookies out of me. And I was like, oh yeah, they're here.
You'd have to put the dog, you know, if you had one, down in the studio,
Yeah.
you know.
They did that with their puppies just now. It looked like next door.
And that, you know, and when that stuff goes on for 2-3 hours, I've heard they can get a heart attack from that.
That's very loud. I mean, even after a while, it's like, all right, man, that's enough. I get it.
Yeah.
Like there's like those little crackly ones that just keep going and going, like someone's yapping at the back of your neck.
Like with her dog, that dog will be going at it all night.
Yeah. I know when my mom had a dog, it would be very scared. She would have to give it. My mom's dog had special prescription dog Xanax
Oh.
because they had like such bad anxiety. It would basically pee all over itself. It was just so scary. You know, you didn't know what was going on. Poor thing.
Yeah, I can understand.
Yeah. I felt bad for that dog after a while. You know, I was like, oh,
Yeah.
like a little sissy dog. Like, I still felt bad.
I've always just, you know, and this dog, you know, I mean, I've taken, you know, like she's gone out of town for a couple of 2 or 3 times, and I'd come up and just take care of the dog. Real, they're nice to take care of, you know, they don't ask for much. She got a hold of a chocolate bar one time.
Oh, no. How'd that work out?
Oh, I wasn't mad at her. I mean, you know, and I stuck it out of what I thought was out of reach, but she still got it.
They can die from chocolate.
Well, this one didn't, and she's gotten chocolate a few times.
Huh. Tough old bird.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, man.
I mean, and I guess they're not supposed to eat grapes, but this one has gotten a grape or two.
Really?
Same with Lucky.
Yeah.
Well, he did, and he's like,
Yeah, like Lucky, he eats the weirdest things, like things you wouldn't think he'd like. He likes just the opposite. I'm actually gonna lock the basement door and come back up through the kitchen. So
Okay.
I'll be up in a second.
Alright.
Good, Robert? You need
Yeah, I'm good.
anything? Water or anything?
Oh, maybe, yeah, I'll have some of that.
I'll bring
Thanks.
some back out.